when she was a little bitty girl. I had a big family. There was 5 boys and 2 girls.
Crepes.
And when my mama used to make pancakes, it would take her 2 hours. And right now, you pour the batter into a skillet and you just swirl it around, not have too high a fire. It's a breakfast of love. One of Papa's favorites. The skillet that I'm using, my mother used. She must have bought it or inherited it from her mother and dad. But I know it's at least 1920 maybe, or 1918. And it's the same skillet that has been in our family for all these years. But she didn't have all the modern conveniences that I have. Back in the day, I think she used to have a wood stove when she first got married. I have 4 eggs in here. Oh, about 3 cups of milk, a pinch of salt, just a little bit of sugar, more than a pinch, and flour till it gets to be a nice thin batter, and you leave it sit till the bubbles come down. Now today I'm not making that many because it's just Dee Dee and Papa. But they're smelling good. Did I say a little bit of vanilla goes into that too? Some people put a little butter, but I just rub a little butter on my skillet when I make them. And they're very tender. I can feel how rich they are. And I use 2% milk. Now my mom used to use milk that came right from the cow. She'd skim the fat off and make butter out of that. I just rub a little bit of butter in the skillet. And once again, you pour the batter in, not too much. And you want the batter thin enough that you can just swirl it around the pan. They're not all perfectly round, but that's okay.
So, how long do you cook them on each side?
Oh, not very long. Just till they get just lightly golden. I'm going to say 3 minutes is all it takes to cook a pancake. Right, and then you got to adjust the fire sometimes. This iron skillet holds the heat so well. That's why it's the best thing. And now on Food Network and a lot of the food channels, they all use iron skillets. This one's almost ready to flip over. There we go. See how thin that is? You can almost see through that thing.
Light golden brown. Delicious.
My favorite things is to eat them. And it just take time to
Just do 2.
butter them.
Just do 2 so you can get them with the video.
Ooh, this is a nice one. Nice, nice, nice. And you can't get too much butter on them,
Even if it's margarine?
even if it's margarine. Then you go to the next route.
What is that?
That's putting apricot syrup on them.
Did you make that syrup?
Dad or me?
Everything's homemade. Then you take your fork and you just roll it right up.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, 2 at a time you roll?
2 at a time.
Oh my gosh. You're a-
Sometimes 3 at a time.
Oh my.
When he thinks he's not going to get as many as he wants.
So you go for it and then...
Then you take a little. Mmm.
Is that good?
Mmm.
Here's,
Terrific.
here's Nana's way of having it.
Oh, there you go.
With red raspberries. And only 1 at a time.
Oh yes, beautiful.
All right, that's good.